All right, let's do a proof together. It is given segment AB is congruent to segment CD and segment BC is congruent to segment AD. We can also look at the diagram 1, 1 and 2, 2. We want to prove two triangles. I'm going to color ABC. I colored it green, but you probably don't see it. I'm just going to go through the sides. ABC is congruent to triangle CDA right here. All right, we can already see what's happening, and our only job is to write it down. Okay, we always start with given, so number 1 and given, simply copy it down. And number 2, simply copy it down. Every time you start a proof, you start with a given, and from there we start to think, logical think. Now, given 1, 2, we just write down the word given. All right, this AB and CD, BC and AD already give us first side, second side. We just need to find one more side. So 3, we write down segment AC. You are congruent to yourself. You're yourself. We write 3. Reason is reflexive property of, we're talking about congruence. And the last one, let's look at how many sides we got. Side, side, side. We are done. So last one, we can draw the conclusion. Copy down what need to be proved. That's the things we need to write for the last step. We reached our goal. And finished, we just say we use what? We use side, side, side. Congruence postulate. If you happen forgot about, is it postulate or theorem or corollary? You can just simply write down the word rule. We'll take that. And then you write down QED. All done. That's it. You here can let you go without making you stronger. So this is our second practice. We're going to finish this proof. Go ahead and read what is given and what do we need to prove. Okay, we always start with given. So the first thing is really simple. I'm going to copy it down, the given. And copy it down. D is midpoint. Of segment AC. Then I come back and I write down this is what you give to me, so I am given these conditions. And then I come back to look at here. I start to label. If D is a midpoint, that means I can do 2. That's right, 2, 2. I can add my 2 tick marks here. And then I can write down 3. 3 is derived from 2. If you're a midpoint, guess what we get? We get AD is congruent to CD. These two segments gonna be congruent to each other. And what is the reason? The reason is the definition of midpoint. We're almost done here. Let's check what we have. We have 1 and 2 and 3. So let's put down here we have side, side, side. I think we can start to write our conclusion. Conclusion is you just copy down what needed to be proved. We just reached our destiny. All right, write down what rule did we just use. We used side, 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 triangle, congruence. It is a postulate, postulate. All right, we are done here. Congratulations and happy learning.